Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Find X2 Pro, and today I will show you how to insert SIM card into this phone. Now, before we get started, you will need to get one of these, a SIM eject tool. You can provide it with the device in the box so you can get it from there, or you could just use a paper clip if you don't feel like looking for it. So, once you have one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom of the device. And just quickly lock it, there we go. As you can see right over here. Now, the insert for it, as you can see, there is two different ones. This is a microphone. This is the insert for the tray. So it's part of the tray. And once you push it in, the tray will pop out. And from here, simply grab the tray and take it out completely. And as you can see on the tray, you have only a space for a single SIM card. So place it like so with the chip towards the outside, and then insert it back into the device. And as you can see, there's the pin for the SIM card. And there we go. So that is how you would insert the SIM card into this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.